Please raise your hand if this is you. I really want to start creating video content for social media because I want to promote my business and my products and services, but I'm afraid I won't be able to stand out from everyone else. I mean, isn't social media so saturated with people doing the exact same thing and selling the same things that I am? So how can I possibly stand out? You are not alone. So for me personally, I had wanted to start a YouTube channel for years, but I always said the same thing to myself. I ingest a lot of YouTube content and I see what's out there, and it felt very saturated. It felt like there were so many people who were trying to do the same thing that I wanted to do. And so I just kept putting it off and putting it off. But you know what? Then one day I decided, why do I care? If this is something that I want to do, I'm going to do it for myself. I'm just going to throw it out there and see what happens. And you know what? I am so happy I did, because it's all a journey. You just put content out there, even if it's not perfect, because nothing is ever going to be perfect. Life is not perfect. No one is perfect. And you just kind of gauge the metrics. You see how many people are watching each video, how long they're watching each video, how much engagement you're getting. And when I say engagement, I mean things like how many thumbs ups you're getting on your videos, or thumbs down. It's all valuable. And how many people are commenting on your videos. And then you kind of just evolve and tailor your content to what your audience actually wants to watch. Because here's the thing, your personality is different from everyone else's. So by design, you already stand out. Your quirks and eccentricities make you stand out from everyone else. Quick story, I can be kind of awkward. It might not seem like it right now because I have edited the awkwardness out of this video, but I have been told that my awkwardness is endearing, which makes me kind of proud of my awkwardness. So I just embrace it. So embrace yourself, love yourself, because if you do, others will too, and it will show through in your videos. But it is fun to have a shtick, so let's figure out what that is for you. I want you to think about what you enjoy doing, what you're passionate about. Maybe you bartended all throughout college and before you got into the current industry that you're in now, and you love to make up different cocktails, which if that's you, then can we hang out? So an example that I love to use is from this awesome mortgage loan officer that I work with, and she created a social media series of very short, like I'm talking under 20-second Instagram reels where she does mortgage mixology. So first of all, the name is super cute. So she mixes a drink and shares the recipe for the drink while she's also talking about a mortgage related topic. It's brilliant. And something else that would be fun for her to do is if she created a cocktail and gave it a name related to what she's talking about. So for example, I don't know, just pulling something out of the air, maybe like a closing cocktail. There are clearly so many better cocktail names I could have come up with, but we're going with it. In the caption of the video, she could share the recipe and also elaborate and expand on the mortgage tip that she gave. So she's providing value while also providing entertainment, and I love that. Or maybe you are an avid hiker and you love state parks. So maybe while you're out hiking, you can pull out your phone and record a quick video on, the launch of a new product, while also sharing the sights and sounds of the state park that you're in. Bonus, and I'm talking about Instagram here, like I said, it's my preferred platform. You can check in to that location. So you can check in to that state park or that trail or wherever you are. And it doesn't have to necessarily be a personality thing that sets you apart. It could be a certain aesthetic. So you could always have your camera or phone, let's be real, at a certain angle, and you're always, your videos are always kind of at that angle, or maybe you have a certain color scheme or a certain background, just something that sets you apart and makes your videos consistent. Or maybe you're all in on that Southern accent and that's your whole thing. I think that's great. Or maybe you are an aspiring stand-up comedian and you do all your videos as if you're at an open mic night. That might be kind of weird, but it could be good. Overall, the goal here is to show up as who you are and be an authentic, genuine human so that you can build those personal connections. All right, let's get ready for episode number 3, where we will talk about getting out of your head.